if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing Facebook, vlog, you need something like this. This is the face tracker. And as I walk around out here and do a demonstration on the face tracker, the face and body tracker for your vlog, for your streaming. You can just move around. When you move around, it moves with you, so nobody's holding it. I love this because it makes life easier, makes it better for videoing. So as I walk around, you can see this is the mall. Lovely view, guys, lovely view, guys. So go on Amazon, you can click the link below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back again. So as I've demonstrated before, the gimbal on the street, I just want to bring it close up to you, what it looks like when you order it and you get it. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So the gimbal comes into a box like this, and what comes in the box, the gimbal here, it comes in the box, the charging ports at the back, cameras at the front, and this is my tripod, the piece I have to mount it on, but it comes with this. So this sits on the table and the gimbal sits on top of it, and also it comes with a charger, so you know you can plug it in and charge it. The charge is very quick, and the lifetime of the gimbal, like in operation of the charge, it's about say 1 hour or hour and a half, depends on how you use it. But it comes in 3 different colors. It comes in pink, white, and black. Yes guys, so you can get this on Amazon for about say $40 to $50. I would say this is a good investment if you're one that always do like Facebook videos, if you're one that always do YouTube videos, if you're one that says, you know what, I just want to do something new. Well, I would suggest something like this. It's very I'm a techie guy, so I love new things. I love to try new things. I love to, you know, experiment. So this is something good to have, guys, and you can pick it up off Amazon. Only $50, only $50 or less. All right, so that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've got some more videos coming out, and I know that these videos that I have coming out will interest you in getting these products. All right, peace. Remember to be safe out there, and always wear your mask, always sanitize your hand, and just be safe. Give somebody love today. Show them a kind heart. God bless you till we meet again. Bye-bye.